Let me and get that scissors.
Coco, Oga, good morning.
Good morning. How may I help you?
This my pikin wan learn work.
This boy wey I dey like this fit learn work like that. I hope say you no force am.
No, I don't.
Okay. So sit down.
Come on, stand up, Jare. You don't even have respect at the front of your boss.
Na so dem dey do, no mind dem. E go learn for here, I go teach am. So how many years you say you wan use?
Maybe like 1.5 years.
Okay.
Oga na half years I go use you.
If you can be fast to learn, if you are brave and you are clever, you can. If you are sharp enough, no problem. Okay, so which day are you planning to come and start now?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay, now no problem. No problem. Okay, there's no problem. I will be expecting you people. Okay, take care.
Oga, good morning.
Good morning, no. Hey, madam, sit down, have your seat. I hope all is well.
No, na this my boy say he wan be CEO.
And na 3 months he just use now.
He say he dey help you sew cloth, both governor cloth and president cloth. He say he dey help you sew am.
Na so the boy. Okay, you know what? Make we test am. You know what, madam, just dey look am. Come make sure this boy. Come make sure he
stand up, Jare.
Hey mama, abeg.
Come make sure abeg.
Hey, come closer to you here, I don't get time. You wey dey here since 2 years.
Make sure wetin you wan make sure na like say you wan sew senator wear. Just make sure.
You wey dey here since 3 years, you no know work. Oga, I don finish.
Write am now. You write am for me. Write wetin you make sure.
Yeah, Oga, in head na 3 inches, in nyash na 4 feet, hand na 3 meter, and chest.
God go punish you, no say.